Good morning, Peralta Pugs. So today your goal is to identify your main character's traits, feelings, needs, and wishes. And you're thinking about the main character in the fairy tale that you plan to adapt. So I'll give you an example of my main character. So the main character in my fairy tale is little pug Peralta Hood. And so I took a moment to draw a portrait of little pug Peralta Hood. And I brainstormed on this sheet some of her character traits, her feelings, her needs, and wishes. And as I thought about each of these, I thought about the story that I plan to write, and I thought about the big change that I intend to make, as well as the little smaller changes that will happen as a result of that. So the big change that I intend to make is that my main character is going to be little pug Peralta Hood, living in 2020 instead of Little Red Riding Hood living in the early 1900s. So a few character traits that I plan to use in my story are that little pug Peralta Hood is very courageous, she's very optimistic, she's very creative, she's also very caring about her friends, and she's very loyal to her friends. So in my story, I intend for her to go on a walk to give some supplies to her friends. On my sheet, I showed all of the character traits in green pen. So I remember these are the character traits that are true for my main character. Then I put some of her feelings in red. So in my story, little pug Peralta Hood is going to be a bit worried. She's going to be puzzled about some different people that she meets on her journey. She's going to be lonely because she misses her friends. She's doing social distancing right now, and she wishes that she could see her friends more. And she's going to be persistent because she has a lot of supplies to deliver, and she has to go to every single house to deliver them. Some of her needs are that she needs to go to Zoom meetings with friends. She misses her friends. She's lonely, so then she wants to go to lots of Zoom meetings with her friends. She needs to drop off the supplies on her friends' porches and stay within 6 feet of them. And she needs to finish all of her schoolwork by the end of the day. These are the main things that she needs in her story, in the story I'm going to write. And then some of the wishes, the things that she hopes for, she hopes and dreams of. She hopes that school will start again. She hopes that they'll find a vaccine for coronavirus, and she hopes that she can have play dates with her friends. So this is my main character, and now that I've brainstormed all of this, I'm going to be able to write my story using these character traits, feelings, needs, and wishes in the story as I write. So your job today is to, just like I did, draw a portrait of your main character. What do they look like? What's their name? And then jot some character traits in green, some feelings that your main character might feel in your story in red, some needs in blue, and some wishes in purple. You should have at least 3 of each type. Please share these on Google Classroom so we can all learn about your main characters and get excited to read your fairy tales. Have a great day, 3rd graders. Talk to you soon. Bye.